Hi friends and family, welcome to Sahara Bites. And today we're making Rasta pasta. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. We're going to start by adding prawns to a bowl. Add jerk seasoning, add honey, and mix well. Make sure your prawns are fully coated. Add some paprika. Place cling film on your bowl and put to the side. Get your workstation ready. We're going to go ahead and slice up some orange peppers, whichever shape you prefer. You could dice them, you could slice them, you can do whatever you want with them. Once completed, put aside and then slice up some red peppers. Go ahead and place on the plate. And then we're going to slice up one small onion. Please don't cry. We're going to go in and slice up some chilies. We're going to add salt to boiling water and olive oil. Add some pasta, of your choice of course. We're going to go ahead and place some butter into a pan. We're getting ready to fry some prawns. Place your prawns into the pan. One by one, it might take some time. Please remember to put the remaining marinade to the side. We're going to go ahead and let the prawns cook for 3 minutes. Turn the prawns over and give it another 3 minutes. After a few minutes, take the prawns out one by one. Can you see all those juices? Can you see the butter, the prawns, the jerk seasoning? We're going to go ahead and put the prepped vegetables into the frying pan. I'm going to ensure that the vegetables are tantalizing. Add some cream. Yes, I said 284 milliliters. That's because it comes in that size. Go ahead and put a little water into the cream so we can capture all the flavors. The prawn marinade, put that inside. Go ahead and add some jerk seasoning and stir very well. We're going to go ahead with 2 cups of mozzarella or cheese of your choice, and we're going to make sure it stirs and thickens the sauce. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens. And now we're going to go ahead and add some pasta. Of course, you must drain your pasta. Mine took 10 to 12 minutes. Yours might take 5 or 6, depending on what pasta of your choice. We're going to go ahead and make sure that the pasta is coated with all the cream and all the good flavours and all the sauce. Don't forget to add the prawns in the end. Yes, and we're going to go ahead and make sure the prawns also get the flavours. Oh. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh. We're going to go ahead and plate our Rasta pasta. The flavours, the aroma, woo! I can't wait to tuck in. Fresh herbs, preferable. I didn't have any, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some dried herbs and some chili flakes. And this is Sahara Bites. Thanks for watching. More videos Sunday, 3 p.m.